Here at Formula Honda, we have a Drive Shield certified 2018 Toyota Corolla SE. Here's a quick look at the outside of the vehicle. Now let's take a look at some of the features inside. Starting with the driver's side door, this vehicle has power locks and windows with an automatic driver's side window. Power mirror button is located on the dashboard along with the heated steering wheel. This vehicle also comes with a sunroof up top and seats 5 passengers, 2 seats in the front and 3 seats in the back. This vehicle also has steering wheel audio and Bluetooth controls. It also has AM and FM radio, USB inputs, Bluetooth audio, a CD player, a rear view camera, heated seating, and many more great features.